What's up, boss?
Hey, good afternoon. Picking up a Dodge Journey. ACV.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
That piece of turd.
I agree. On today's episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we're headed to Allentown to pick up a 2009 Dodge Journey, about an hour and 8 minutes away. There she is, Dodge Journey.
What's up, boss?
Hey, good afternoon. Picking up a Dodge Journey. ACV.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
That piece of turd.
I agree.
There you go.
Oh, awesome. Thank you, sir.
so much.
You have a good
It's
one.
right down the lot.
I see it right there. Thank you. See how this piece of turd, hopefully it starts. Oh, look at that shifter. Sexy. Brakes don't sound too good. This definitely is a piece of turd, like he said. Feels like it's all the way on one side. Oh, this is cheap. Like the rest of them. All the junk I buy is cheap. Some money for Tony. one side. Locked and loaded. Headed back to the Hoopty headquarters.
Take the I-476 South exit.
Alright, we're back at Hoopty headquarters with this Dodge Journey. Even the guy who sold it to me at the other dealer said it was a turd. Let's find out how much of a turd it is, because I know just by driving it up on the ramps it felt like a pile of shit. So, alright, let's take it off. I know. It's good. I bought it. It was cheap. So, it is what it is, right? I already bought it. It's mine. We'll see what happens. Alright, back off straight, because real close on this side. Just like that, go ahead. Go ahead. Making a lot of noises. A lot of funny noises. Can't win them all. Jump in. It felt weird getting up on the trailer. Like the alignment's off.
This is fucking junk.
It is. I agree 100%. But if it runs decent, it'll be like $14.99 probably. Somebody buy it. I can tell you right now, it's going to be. Let's see how it shifts. I gotta watch it. They're giving tickets all over. They're looting people's cars. You gotta make sure.
They're not gonna mess with your trailer.
You sure?
Yeah, why would they bother you? License insured.
Yeah, I know, but I don't trust
My
the
shit's
city.
been there a long time. They never bothered me.
Yeah, but this city, I don't trust the city. Parking authority are a bunch of crooks. Alright, they went that way. Good. I got license and insurance, everything, but you know they're giving tickets for stickers now, and I got Jersey stickers on that. This is a pile of shit. It could go as low as $12.99 or $14.99. It'll sell.
This is a fucking junk. This is
Yeah.
real junk. This shit is even embarrassing itself.
Well, at $12.99 I still make $500, so we'll put it for $14.99. Let's see how it shifts. And then if anything, we'll lower the price if it doesn't sell. Because it's a 2000. It is a 2009.
It's got a CVT.
This has a CVT trans, yeah. Ugh. That suspension don't feel too good. Oh man.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this thing. It's gonna be $12.99. It needs struts bad, but it runs and drives. Just make sure it shifts through all the. Well, it shifts better than, or the way it should. The guy there, he was like, "That's a polished shit." Thanks. He doesn't know that I'm the person who bought it. It's shifted though. Actually, this might have a regular tranny. This might not have a CVT. Making a lot of noise in the front though. I don't know what the other noise is.
It's an axle.
Alright, $12.99. There can't get any more money out of this polished shit. Somebody buy it. We gotta check that wheel, make sure the wheel's not ready to fall the hell off.
It might be. It's only got four bolts on it.
Nah, it feels like the axles.
Yeah, I don't know. Hub wheel bearing.
Maybe, yeah, the hub bearing maybe.
Wheel's tight. It's kind of the axle.
Alright, it's probably the axle. They might have hit something and bent the subframe or whatever, because that's why the steering wheel's off. Come on, people, let's go.
This will be the new tow truck.
It looks like a real polished shit. I'm gonna buy an Avalanche or a Suburban heavy duty. Come on. Deliver pizza. Deliver? Yeah. See what that Ford's doing. I even regret bidding on that junk.
Why? It's cheap.
Yeah, it's far. And I'm tired of picking up cars, man. I'm done.
You can't pick that up anyway.
I can. It's a regular cab, ain't it?
It's regular extended cab.
Long bed?
Long bed.
Alright, you
High
got
bed on the truck. 850.
I don't.
You can't
Go to 1,000.
Can't go wrong.
Go to 1,000. That's it. It's two-wheel drive.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, but it's go to 1,000. That's it. That's why I'm all done after that.
It's a Chevy. I can't tow that though.
Well, we'll have to go pick it up. That's got a 6-zone 4L85 or 4L80.
That's already 30,000.
That's it. I'm done. I'm gonna buy what I really want, and that's an Avalanche or a Suburban. The Avalanche I sold Jury. That was a sweetheart.
So you still gonna drive your junk? You might as well.
We don't have no.
You ain't gonna pick up nothing. Don't even have to pick up nothing tomorrow.
No, I've got 4 cars. I want to get done. I'm done. Hopefully they don't give me that Ford. We'll find out. Well, if they do, you're gonna have to buy it. You're gonna go pick it up anyway. 1,000. Let it go. Let it go. I think, right? Let me see. Let me see it again. Chill, Bill. You ain't buying it. Go to 1200. That's it. Because the 1200 is still it is a heavy duty. Then we gotta go get it. It does. I agree.
This fits directly over that way. These are the type of cars that.
Yeah.
This is probably worse.
Then what?
So this is probably actually too bad for them too.
Somebody buy it. They need something to drive cheap.
Hello? Yeah.
Yeah, shift's good.
Yeah, that's cool.
Shift's good. You want the 1200?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. I'm done. You want to bid after that? You can. I'm done. It's 2-wheel drive. I mean, there might be some money left, but there's not enough for me. We'll sell this. $12.99. He works.
It doesn't actually work.
It is working.
No, it's not. It's blowing out cold.
I feel hot right here.
On this side is cold.
All right, well, the driver's the only one that matters. I was worried about the transmission. Actually, transmission feels good. I think it needs.
$1,500 for a Ford.
Nah, good. Dude, I'm glad I didn't get
I'll
that.
bid on the truck.
All right, let it go. I'm done. You can bid if you want.
20.
Huh?
You know, for me to do it.
All right, I'm done. Because I'll buy Avalanche or I'll buy a Suburban that I really want. I'm gonna buy something nice this time.
Yeah.
Well, nicer. Alright, well, tomorrow we're going to have to freeze them because I want to go pick up cars. And we got to go to Red Hill to pick up some junk. So this, let's just take a look at this.
This is not bad.
What?
Escape, Philly. It's raggedy, but it's $199 all day.
So, what the hell? Let me check the oil, then we'll turn it back on to make sure it doesn't overheat. I mean, I don't think it does, but nah, it might need more antifreeze. Where the hell's the hood thing on this junk? Come over here and hold this hood up.
These are good motors. The motors are anyway.
Actually, it shifts good and runs good. It's just the way that front suspension feels. And it doesn't have, it needs about a quart of oil. I mean, this is probably the worst polished shit I bought so far. Yeah. All right, well, it needs some oil, so just check it now.
I got a stick.
All right, get a stick. We're gonna let it run. Make sure it doesn't overheat. Can't win them all. Come over here. Give me. It's gonna fall on my head, genius. Alright, start this junk up and let it run for a while. Make sure it doesn't overheat. Get inside and put it in drive, then reverse. I don't know. $12.99. It's a running and driving car, as long as it don't overheat. Make sure it doesn't overheat. That's all. There's somebody out there.
Put on escape.
Don't bid on a whole bunch of cars.
Not in, but there's Philly.
All right, let's see.
What's up, man? Check that truck out.
All right, guys, there you have it. This is a $12.99 polished shit hoopty. But you gotta have cars from $9.99 and up. That's what I always have on hand. They come in, they might want to buy something like this, then they drive, they're like, no. Step it up to $16.99, $19.99, $24.99, $39.99. But the main thing is to get them in here with some money. Once they're here, go buy something. Usually. Huh?
Car's all crashed up.
It's a polished shit. Look at that junk. Alright, stay tuned. We gotta pick, I have 4 more cars to pick up tomorrow. Or at least by Friday. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment. Watch my other videos. Let me know what you think. I appreciate it. Peace.